Drivers behind the line, match 44 in 3, 2, 1, Reefscape.
Alrighty, everybody, we have this match kicked off here over on the Red Alliance. We see Team Roboto and their Auton focusing on getting an algae up into the barge. While they are unsuccessful, clearing the barge does help their alliance later in the matches being able to score their coral quicker. Or in the Blue Alliance, we see a level 4 and a level 2 algae scored. That in Auton will be 4 and 7 points respectively. Moving into our teleop period, the Robo Blazers are off and they immediately score on that level 4 on the reef zone. That will be 5 points for their alliance. Seems like their alliance partner, Team Roboto, is focusing on the lower levels of the coral reef while Robo Blazers are focusing on the upper. Over on our blue side of the field, the Riley Wildbots are focusing on the level 4 coral along with their alliance partner, Kilobyte. They've already filled about half of the coral reef. If they move on to the other levels, they could get that additional rank point, or they can keep scoring and or if they continue scoring on level 4, they would be going for that higher score, focusing more on obviously winning, but also just getting that level 4 completely filled. Both Kilobytes and the Riley Wildbots are having a little bit of a struggle lining up and getting their coral on quickly. We're seeing Red have some faster cycle times as we get deeper into the match, starting to match the level of coral on the reef that we're seeing on the Blue Alliance, closing the scoring. Right now we have a score of Blue 58 to Red 37. It is still anybody's game here. As we move forward, Robo Blazers gets another on the level 4 coral. Over here, their alliance partners, Olympus Robotics, are focusing on stopping the Riley Wildbots from being able to score on the coral reef. By minimizing the amount of cycle times, we've now closed the lead from Blue to about 16 points. Roboto over on the Red Alliance is struggling a little bit to align their coral, but they successfully get an additional 4 points by scoring onto level 3. Robo Blazers follows in suit on level 4. The conductors seem to have some trouble on the blue side of the field, but their alliance partners are definitely helping and making sure that the alliance is able to stay in the lead. Olympus Robotics, while the end of the match is happening, is preventing Riley Wildbots from not only scoring their coral, but also getting into the barge zone. The Kilobytes are trying to score on that deep cage. Remember, the longer the chain, the higher the gain. So that'll be worth 12 points in comparison to the shallow cage is 6. Team Roboto successfully completes a deep climb along with Kilobytes and Robo Blazers. It's a pretty close match to see how things shake out in final score. With a score of 97 to 91, super close score. And really what drove them to victory was that coral. Being able to consistently cycle that for their alliance really led to a victory for them. Congratulations to the Riley Wildbots, Kilobytes, and Conductors.